What is that noise? Morning, what the fuck is up? Hope you're having a fucking outrageous day. So today, you see we're back on the Detroit River again. Now I'm gonna be fishing with my boys. It's just gonna be a clear-cut day of every variety of fish. I know it's gonna be a lot of fish. We've been fishing a lot of walleye lately, but we're gonna see if we can get any other species we can. A lot of silvers, a lot of sheephead, a lot of small ones right now. You know, there's a few other big fish that have been snagged, but we never actually got them in yet, like the muskie and the sturgeon, but we'll see. Anyways, let's go do some fishing. So you see here, we're gonna be fishing the boulders. Going back to my favorite color, the Hangover. Check that out right there. It's kind of a little beat up. I should have used a brand new one, but we've been slaying with them. 5/8 jig right now. There's no wind. Water clarity is just great. Look at all the boats out there, right? All the boats are back as they open the launches, so this is pretty cool. We're gonna see a lot of action out here right now. So, oh. What is that, silver? Oh, small walleye. Okay, okay. Oh. Yeah, I want to get a nice picture of the bite down me, you, and my brother.
Oh yeah.
Like, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that'd be sick. We don't have one of those. Yeah. There he is. I think this is a walleye. Yeah, no head shakes. Oh, maybe not. It changed. It changed. Yeah, it changed.
You gotta make sure you reel it up. Yeah,
That changed. This is gonna be a sheephead.
Yeah. I'm on monster walleye. Or smaller.
It's a sheep.
Yeah.
I think it's a sheep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Jerry. All right. Here you go, guys. Right on the Hangover. You want to catch sheephead? Use the Hangover. Ooh, that thing engulfed it. There you go. Ooh, I even got a scale that's blocking the hook there. Surprised I even got that. All right. Yo, you don't keep that, do you?
Yeah, we keep that.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Jerry, you want a line change? Let's do this. All right, so we've been doing line changes here, making sure that everybody gets a chance to fish. Jerry. You know he's gonna slay. Slay. I gotta take the scale off. Oh, sit back on this bench and just chill. May 2-4 weekend, so always happens like this. Everybody's down here for silver bass. You can see the whole shoreline is just stacked with people right now. Tons and tons of fish are getting caught, all different kinds of variety. Now, I talked about my favorite colors and stuff like that. What do you guys like to use? You know what I'm saying? Like me, I like to use the June bug, the hangover, the Bloody Mary. You know, hangover has been my favorite. But what are you guys' favorites? You know what I'm saying? I like to know. I would like to try something new also. Something a little different, you know. Get bored sometimes. You know, you guys seen that Lego man also. You can see what I try. This is the time when you want to try to cast everything that you can, because you know you can make your dreams happen. You just never know what you're going to catch out there. You know, Pete over there last night had a sturgeon, but we didn't get to record it because it took all his line. Pete, you have no line on that rod either, so you get one today, it's over.
This one?
Yeah.
This one's got 150 yards, the contest.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll be okay.
150 yards.
I don't know, sturgeons are kind of crazy, but
150 yards on mine too. Like this doesn't look like a lot. Yeah, I know. Just go backing.
oh, T, you got another one? All right, I'm gonna get the net. Gotta get the net for my bro right now. Yeah. I'm coming at the. Yeah. Well, that's a big old silver. That's a huge silver bass.
It is.
That's monster. That's like as big as they get. That's huge.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Should I hold it like this?
Yep. Oh yeah, that's a huge bass. Monster. Word.
Oh shit, hang on. He's fucking crazy.
Damn. Whoa.
Holy fuck.
Damn. Oh yeah. Arkansas Shiner. Easily 10 pound sheephead.
Oh yeah, it was 10. Oh yeah.
That's 10 pound sheephead. Oh yeah, that's a monster. Oh yeah, nice catch. Yeah?
Probably maybe 3 pounds. Feel it. Not a shitter, that's for sure. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Nice
Oh,
big
oh.
one. Ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Ta-da!
We got some of these jigs. Oh, it's a fucking disaster. Raymond?
Yeah, Raymond.
Raymond.
Yeah. Oh, Sarah.
Ada.
Yeah. Tres ro.
Reistra?
Yeah, tres ro. Tres ro. Like tres ro.
That's it.
All right, all right.
That's it.
Damn, Jerry.
Sheephead.
Oh, all fish is a fish, man. This is this
Molly.
episode is all about you guys, man.
Welcome to Buckfish's friends.
Yeah, this is man, they're just slaying all different kinds of variety fish. I can't even turn my camera off. It's just nuts. Variety fish. Wait, sheephead? Oh yeah, that's sheephead.
Diving right down.
Yeah, I love that fight.
Yeah.
People underestimate that fish, man, but me, I love it. The drum.
Yeah.
Drum roll, please.
Yeah, he's just basically fucking just
Hey, you want
lift up and
me?
reel.
You want me to stick it way down there? How about that? Oh, look at that. We can reach as far as you want.
Yeah. He almost jumped in the net for you.
Yeah. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
There it is. There it is.
Oh, it's a small.
Oh, it's a smallmouth. Smallmouth.
Like a monster.
Nice. What's up, Johnny? I'm not no accomplice to that, man. Hell no. Hell no. Check that out, guys. Nice, fat, beautiful bronze back there on the day. Pretty excited to get something like that. I was using the June bug, but look at that. Look at the belly on that. It's beautiful. Nice, thick size fish there. So we're gonna get a quick picture real quick,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna let it go.
Nice one.
All right, there you go. There you go. Come back in July. All right, quick little update. Tons of fish going on right now. It's just a plethora. The whole river is just stacked with fish. It's just unlimited hook sets, just going nuts right now. I end up catching all kinds of species so far. Never caught a silver yet though, which is kind of weird. You know, maybe it's because the overcast day, but Hey, walleye is a walleye. Lots of sheephead, some smallmouth bass, a lot of small walleye, but hey, any fish is a fish. Still looking for that specialty fish. Hopefully a muskie gets on. Please send me a muskie. Give me a nice big one. Looking for a specialty, like I said. Let's get back fishing. That's a nice size walleye, T. Toma! Toma! That's gonna be a big one. No head shake. No head shakes.
That's creepy then.
I didn't even feel the bite, it just inhaled it. My rod was just tight. Where's it going?
That's not a walleye.
That's not a walleye. That's not a walleye. Oh, I'm fighting somebody else with it, that's why.
Oh, it is a walleye.
It is a walleye. I'm just stuck now because that guy. Yeah, there we go. Open your bail all the way, bro. There we go. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Another one on the day here. Perfect. Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's the Walter. Nice, like 2 or 3 pounder there. Came back. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Walleye or a smallie?
Wally.
Is it walleye or smallie?
Wally, Smalley, and fighting somebody's line probably. Oh! Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
I'm so worried about his poles. It's so long.
All right, guys. There it is, another one. Finally got a nice size walleye here. Check that out. It's got to stay at roughly about 22 inches or so. But she is about 4 pounds. But that is a beaut. That is a beaut.
Like this past year, I found I caught more at night.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I never caught a single one at night prior to that.
Probably gonna need it. They're biting hard today.
Yeah.
I don't know, this might be a sheep.
Strike zone.
This might be a sheep unless it's a big walleye.
Yeah, this is a sheep.
No way.
You go in-
Oh, I got another snag.
I was gonna say, fuck, you just go into a snag, didn't you?
Sheep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get over here. Oh. Get in the net.
There we go.
Yeah, that is make soup, eh, Paul? Make soup. You take home, you make soup.
Sheep high shoot. He's coming for it.
Want it?
Want it?
All right. Oh, you want it? You take home, you make soup. What? How do you cook this one? How you cook it? No. What? How you make? You know, soup?
No, I'm gonna say.
No soup? Oh, here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Fried soup?
Thank you.
Barbecue?
Yeah.
Oh, barbecue. Okay. Barbecue. That's what it is.
No. You said you got him so pissed off that he said, fuck my coat, fuck my net. Take the rest of my bag. He'll be back. Once you see me leave, he'll be back. Probably. I don't know where he went. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. This thing's heavy, bro.
I know.
But it's nice.
Damn,
My shit just hit the water as it was setting the hook. Oh,
bro.
oh, you're so cute. No, I'm talking about his I didn't want to. Are you recording?
Yeah, of course. Oh no!
What?
Oh, okay,
Oh, no, what?
the snag.
Oh.
Yeah, BB my snaggards. I think this is a nice sized walleye.
It looks like a really nice
I have to change sizes.
walleye.
Oh no! There it is! Woo!
That thing's heavy.
Habibi!
Hey, let's give it a new line this year for Muskie too. Let's use my snag hurts. Nice fucking walleye.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's a juicer.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice
Very
buck
nice,
fishes. Who makes that lure?
Oh, Lunker City.
Lunker City?
Hell yeah, Lunker City hangover. Oh yeah. Hey, lunkercity.com. Or you can go to Mike's Bait Shop.
Minnow Mike Bake Shop.
The Minnow Mike's Bait Shop. Oh, check that fish out, guys. Pretty excited on that fish. Look at it. That's another one on the day. I'm getting some nice, pretty decent sized fish here. Woo! That's another 22, 23 incher. Oh yeah.
No.
Come on, Smalley.
No.
Come on, Silver.
There was a couple heads.
Yeah, he named everything but a wally. He wants Eric to keep working.
Right?
If I gotta keep grinding, so do you. No! Fall off. Fall off.
No, fall off.
Sized one too.
Yeah. There you go, bro.
Thank
Limit, limit, limit. This one's actually fighting pretty nice.
I thought mine was a pick until at the end it started fighting like a shitter.
It's fighting pretty nice. It's solid. Solid fish. Probably like a 2-pounder. They're all 2-pounders now. Nothing's giant. Oh, am I fighting? Oh, I'm finding a line with it. That's why. Just let me finish.
Damn it, Brandon.
Oh.
Here, you guys can play with it. It's getting slow there, but Brandon's like, I wonder what a fish feels like on my line, so I'm just gonna snag these.
Yeah.
I'm fishing more.
Yeah.
Helicopter flying over here lately. You're watching it, Jared. I'm watching.
Jeez. I hooked it really good. It wasn't going nowhere.
I know that. That's why I wasn't pulling. I didn't want to lose your fish.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna lose my jig, but
Got it? Alright guys, gonna end my day there. That was just tremendous. As you can see, check this out. All over the ground right now. Look at us go. Eric, Pete, Slay,
Oh yeah.
and Slay.
The run's over, guys.
The run is, hey Chris, the run is over though. The run is over. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, you guys like that? Please like, share, and subscribe. That was just a little bit of fun right there. Just showing how we could do it on the shore. We're just going out and just having a day of fishing. Anything that bites, we'll take it. But they're still here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Much love.